Yeah. So that what you made, prove that may be
Yes, Prabhuji.
say book cover, and generally in vertical format generally it is not made like that. So my internet connection may go at any time. So in case you face difficulty, please forgive me. I am using Temple internet. Okay, Webapro has made two. Webapro, you can share your screen.
प्रभु जी मोबाइल में कैसे करते हैं ये मुझे नहीं पता।
नहीं हो जाता है, फोन से भी हो जाता है शेयर।
मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया है।
ठीक है,
3 है।
Okay. Yes, Prue. First one is very good. Second one is also good. Third is also fine. Okay, Pruji. So that was regarding thumbnail. That was very simple actually. Just taking up a suitable background and then choosing a proper font and what we have to write, and if certain shape I want to put on it. Like I will show you yesterday's one also.
What is the difference between thumbnail and poster?
Pruji, thumbnail, it is just a difference of terms actually. Thumbnail we generally say for a poster. Poster generally gives the entire overview of a certain event which will be there in future, let's say. But thumbnail is generally just a brief of a heading, which we generally use for a video project like that. So in simple terms, Pruji, thumbnail is, yeah, we have seen Pro. Thank you, Weber Pro. Nice one. Yes, Pruji. So in simple terms, Pruji, thumbnail does not give a very exhaustive picture of an event or video. It just gives a name of the or the title of the video like that. While poster gives very exhaustive picture, like when the event will going to conduct and who is the speaker, like that. That is only terms difference. But anyway, we are using for our purpose, so we can use flexibly, no problem. Okay, Sangren Pro?
Yes, Prabhu. Understood. Thank you.
Yes, Praji, thank you. So I will just show you the thumbnail which we have made yesterday in case you have not seen the video. Okay, I think I have not saved it, Praji. Okay, no problem, Praji. Those who have not seen, they can see the video, Praji. So that was the thumbnail. So yesterday we have seen how do we create thumbnails. Today, I wanted to ask you only, Praji, you all, like we have two options. Either I can show you how we can create very quick event posters. Event posters means like tomorrow is Ekadashi. So we can create a very quick poster for Ekadashi saying like tomorrow is Ekadashi, this is the name and this is the fast breaking time, like that. Or like our Balram Jayanti is coming and then Krishna Janmashtami is coming. So for them, we can make very quick posters which just say the date of the event and what the event is, the name of the event, like that. That is also one kind of poster. It's very quick event poster, we call it project. And one more thing I thought we can take today is how to make logos. Like you might have seen, Proji, certain companies, some people, they open new company and also they need one logo for that. Or let's say, even if we are holding a center, like in Hyderabad, we have one center called Yoga. There are some devotees who are not from Allahabad also, one devotee is there. So like we have one center in Hyderabad called Yoga. So for that center, we need a very good logo so that while we are going out for preaching, we have something authentic. Like every time we go with the same name, and all the people who have registered, let's say 6 months back also, they know that this is the place, this is the logo, this is the address, like that. So we have two options. We can learn either event poster or we can learn how to make logos. Time is very less, only 15 minutes are there. So devotees can tell what they want to learn first.
Maybe logos I prefer.
Okay, Arunam Pro. Sandeep Pro.
Means you may go for majority, Pradeep.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking to everyone.
Prabhuji,
Okay,
in this
Prabhuji.
15 minutes time, which one will be comfortable?
Okay, 15 minutes time, event post will be comfortable and easy.
So let's go with that. My
Okay,
opinion.
Prati. I understood. I understood. So we'll go for event post today, and maybe tomorrow if we have class or day after tomorrow, then I'm sorry, Pooji. Same internet issue here. Yes, Pooji. So in next 10 minutes, we can quickly see how we can make event posters. Let's say tomorrow's Ekadashi is also there. So if you want, I will give one very nice homework also, Pooji, to all of you. But first we will see how we can create a simple event poster, Pooji. In case you want to make it a very detailed one, that also is possible. But for now, we'll see a simple one. So Pruji, let's say tomorrow is Ekadashi and we are making one event poster for Ekadashi. So I will just take a suitable background, the same as we did in a thumbnail. But generally, if I'm making an event poster, that it will be better if we can make it uh, in a portrait format. Like it should not be landscape, it can be portrait. So if I'm going for Ekadashi, I will search for a suitable background for Ekadashi. So I will simply go to images. Generally, Ekadashi is very famous for Lord Vishnu. So that is why we'll get so many images of Lord Vishnu like that. So, but we want a very uh, beautiful background. Like here, they already gave ready-made some kind of event poster for it, like Happy Jai Ekadashi. But we are looking for a simple background. Let's say I go for Krishna. So, Pruji, many are there. Images. I'm investing some time to select a good background, Pruji. Then everything can be very easy then later on. So this photo is nice, but It's taking long time to open. I have already some ready-made photos with me, Praji. That I have my print quality, other print quality. Let's say I'm taking this photo, Praji. So I will just copy it. I will paste it here. So I told Praji we will take a kind of A4 sheet. So we'll go to design quickly. We will take maybe 4x3 we will take, and we'll simply take it as portrait. Yes, Praji, and I'll simply keep a background for it. So our background is here. So let's say that I'm taking this as background. Then on this I have to write that tomorrow's Ekadashi kind of thing, like that. So now I will show you, Pruji, one thing. We can simply add a shape on it. Let's say I want to, so I can go to shapes. I can take something like this, and on the below part, I will put a shape like this. So Pruji, now what I'm going to tell you is very important. All of you can see it. This technique we use in many posters actually. So what I will do, I will simply take no outline first of all. I don't want outline of this shape. And the color of my, this I want to be, let's say this one. Black, text one, lighter 25%. I have taken this. Now I will try to make it little transparent, Pruji. That we can easily do by going to more fill colors. You can go and here transparency option is there. So I can make transparency to 40%, let's say. And I'm clicking OK. So now you can see the same image. It has become transparent to 40%, and the behind part is also visible like that. So this was one. Second one will be, so here I can put details of my Ekadashi. So can anyone check in the Vaishnav calendar and can post in chat, Praji, that which Ekadashi is there tomorrow? We'll put the name here.
Pavitropana Ekadashi.
हाँ Praji, you can put in chat, Praji. Then spelling you can put right spelling. Let's say in the text box I am writing get ready for. Get ready. READY. Get ready for. Let's say I'm writing this one, get ready for, but this is not visible at all. So we have to make it visible, Praji. So what I will do, I think increasing is not good. I will take a proper font for it. Let's say I'm taking Black Canary. This is the font I have taken, get ready for, and font color I have taken white, and simply same thing, Praji, same technique. I will put a glow of a black color over it, like that. So I'm putting a black color glow over it. Size I'm little bit increasing, transparency I'm increasing. Like that. So it is saying get ready for.
तो
Now,
मैसेज
yes, Praji.
इसमें मैसेज जा नहीं रहा है आपके पे।
Zoom के चैट पे डाल दीजिए ना प्रभु।
नहीं, जूम पे ही कर रहे हैं, उसी पे नहीं जा रहा है।
अच्छा ठीक है, no problem, no problem. You can speak the name. What is the name?
पवित्रोपना एकादशी।
परितोपना।
हाँ, पवित्रोपना PAVI
हाँ
TRO
PAVI TRO
PANA।
okay, Pavitropana Ekadashi.
जी
Thank you, Vaibhav. So let's say get ready for this Ekadashi. So this we can increase the size. Pavitropana Ekadashi. Get ready for Pavitropana Ekadashi. Yes, please. And then here, what we have written, we can simply put a text box here saying that what is the fast breaking time, bro? Vaibhav, bro, for this fast breaking time.
5:35 to 9:55.
Okay. So fast breaking time is 5:35 to
9:55.
this is for like Allahabad.
Yes, Prabhu.
This time is for Allahabad.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. For Hyderabad it will be different. For Sandeep Prabhu, Kolkata it will be different. So because I have taken Pruji dark background, so I can simply take white again for this. Fast breaking time is 5:35 a.m. to 9:55 a.m. Again, I can increase it a little bit. I can put it here. Again, we can choose some proper font. I think one more font is there, very good. That is Poor Richard. This is also very good font project. But I think time is not very much visible in this font. So we'll go for Balram font. Balram font is very standard. Fast breaking time is 5:35 a.m. to 9:55 a.m. We'll make it center line. And then again, we can give a certain glow to it. Project. Maybe font, text effects, glow. Okay. But if I'm giving this, then maybe text color can be like this. Again, I can go to glow, more glow colors, glow options. Size I can little bit increase, and transparency I can little bit decrease. So fast breaking time is 5:35 a.m. to 9:55 a.m. And we are saying get ready for this Ekadashi, and but date we have not mentioned, Praji. So maybe we'll take one more text box and we'll just mention the date for tomorrow. That's it. Tomorrow is 30th of July. 30th July. 30th July 2020. And day also we can mention it's first day. So now because this was only information was very less, Pruji, so we can reduce the size of this what we have taken like this. And any other information you want to mention you can, but I think for Ekadashi that one is sufficient. Fast breaking time, and I will write in bracket on Dwadashi. On Dwadashi. Because they'll think that Ekadashi only will break 5:45 time only will break like that. Or if you want, we can put it in corner also, and we can reduce size also. Sometimes when we put size quite big, Pruji, on a poster, that does not looks very good. Sometimes when we put text very fine and small size, that sometimes looks very good, Pruji, like that. So let's say I've reduced the size of this, and on Dwadashi size also I will reduce even more. Like let's say like this. So this is the fast breaking time, and this is the 30th July Thursday. This also we can reduce a little bit like that. So it will come like this. Get ready for Pavitropana Ekadashi, 30th July 2020 Thursday. Fast breaking time on Dwadashi is this. One more very important thing, Praji. Okay, thank you, Anil Prabhu. Karundan also shared. Thank you. Yeah. So one more very important, because I wanted to give you one homework to all of you, those who are seeing. You have to make one event poster for tomorrow, Ekadashi, and you have to keep it as your status, Praji, as your WhatsApp status. And because you'll be keeping as your WhatsApp status, I would really recommend if you can put some details of Ekadashi, like, because there may be many people who know about Ekadashi but don't know how to follow it. So let's say I'm adding one more line here. I'm copying the same text box and I'm writing here somewhere that fast from grains, like that. So fast from grains. And in grains, I can write also in bracket, like what all comes in grains. In grains, wheat comes, wheat, rice, pulses. So these are the major items, etc. Like that. And I can reduce the size of this like that. And I can keep it to next line also. So fast from grains. Like this project. So anyone will see this poster, he'll come to know very easily that tomorrow is Ekadashi, or whenever you are posting it, get ready for this Ekadashi, and 30th July Thursday, fasting time on Dwadashi and fasting from grains, like that. So time is up, Pruji. Our time is up. You want to add something, Pruji, like how we can improve this somewhat more? You all can share your ideas, Pruji. Or is it fine?
Nice,
It is looking beautiful.
Okay, so now homework for all of you, especially Anil Pru. That now Pruji, I will check each one of your status. I have all of your contacts saved with me. Now you have to make a quick event poster for tomorrow, and you have to post it on your WhatsApp. Like, I will add one more thing, Pruji. In case many of your friends will be seeing this poster and you want to know them that what Ekadashi really means, then you can add also that Ekadashi every fortnight we observe and it gets great benefit. It's like a discount offer like we get in a mall or somewhere. That depends on you, but it will be very simple like this if you can make Pruji. So that's all from my side, Pruji. Now, please don't forget your homework for tomorrow. I will see each. Yes, Pruji? Yeah, so I will see each one of your status, Pruji, tomorrow. So don't forget to put it. By today night, if you can put it, it will be very good, Pruji, by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, like that. Pruji, is it fine, like, or difficult? Fine,
Okay, Prabhuji. Okay.
We try our best, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Pruji. Who is?
Without exam, the study is incomplete.
Hey, Manoranjan Prabhu.
From where Manoranjan is speaking, Pruji, please.
Gopi Prabhu.
Pruji, I will request all the devotees to put their video on for a while. Because I like to see devotees a lot for this long time. Jai Manoranjan Prabhu, Gopi Prabhu. Pruji, others also can put Anil Prabhu, Vaibhav Prabhu, Sai Kiran Prabhu. Anil Prabhu, it's fine. You need not to cap anything. हम भी आप ही के जैसे हैं bro. No, you can keep your video on. No issues. Yeah, same look, Vaibhav Prabhu. Pruji, Sandeep Prabhu, you told you will put today video.
By this from Zoom, I can't turn on the video. It is disabled.
Come on, Pruji. Every time you give nice reason. And our Jai Krishna Prabhu and Praveen Prabhu, they're there.
Yes, bro. It is unable to detect my video.
Same issue from my
Unable
side
to
also.
detect, huh? Why?
I
You are making technology work according to you, Pruji.
No, bro.
And what about you, Cyclone? Okay, Pruji, then hope it is helpful. It was very simple. It was kind of similar what we have learned yesterday, but it is like divided into sections. Pruji, yesterday was thumbnail, today was event poster. If you are comfortable, Pruji, just one more thing I want to know from all of you. Is it fine like we are taking every day? I don't know. Office meetings also we don't attend every day, Pruji. So Is it difficult, or if you want, we can keep it alternate day also, Prabhuji.
No,
No,
Prabhu,
no,
it's
every day
fine.
is okay. Better than alternate day.
Yes, Prabhu.
Sure ना Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
ठीक है ठीक है.
हम लोग के उत्कर्षा क्लासेस भी फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे भी हो रहे हैं. अब बाकी
हाँ, हाँ.
बचे हुए दिन है उसमें डिवाइस चल रहा है.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Prabhuji. Jai Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, how are you? Yeah, I'm listening your class from sitting behind, but I haven't attended because you are giving so much homework.
Come on, Prabhu. It's very simple.
Hare Krishna, I'm just kidding.
Yes, yes.
After
I
long
wanted
days,
to
I'm
say-
hearing a homework word.
Okay, okay. It is very simple, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Now you have to do, Prabhuji. I will check for you especially. Jai Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. I will do.
ठीक है, Prabhuji. I am already 5 minutes late.
Yes.
We are 5 minutes late. So I will see all of your status, Prabhuji, by night today.
Mm-hmm.
And please post it. If I will ping you on WhatsApp if you have not done. ठीक है, Prabhuji. Thank you so much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai, Jai,
Jai.
Jai.
Thank you for your time, Prabhuji, all of you.
For your,
We should tell you, Prabhuji, this.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
No, I am free here, Prabhuji. So then we will meet tomorrow, Prabhuji, sharp 3 o'clock.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.